In this sponsored video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to make the best Pico de Gallo. If you're like me, then you love a good salsa on your food. The only problem is the amount of time it's going to take you to chop up the vegetables small enough to make a nice, decent salsa. And this is where the Fullstar vegetable chopper shines. Anytime I make Pico de Gallo, I'm absolutely pulling out this Fullstar vegetable chopper to get my vegetables to the right consistency and the right size for the taste that we love. Now that I've prepped all the vegetables for the chopper, it's time to set it up. This is usually how I store it too. Blades inside. Put the pusher in. Snap in. This is also how it comes apart so you can put in the dishwasher for washing easily. We have washed this in the dishwasher many times. The blades lock in place. Blade won't come out. Push is good. And we're ready to rock and roll. I like to start with the tomatoes. 3 medium tomatoes, a few light taps, and it's gonna go right on through. Or one big smash. So a smart commenter on my first review of this device mentioned that don't put the herbs in and smash them down. They get really stuck in the pusher. Instead, put something hard on top, like tomatoes. That way, the herbs will be chopped and they won't get stuck in the pusher. We're using a mild pasilla pepper here, or in some places they're called poblanos. You can choose your own pepper. We like pasillas. 1 pasilla pepper. Don't have to do one at a time. You can actually do all 3. Notice I had to cut the vegetables so they would fit inside the chopper. Don't let that deter you. Onion time. Half of a red onion. Very little waste. All those vegetables are now in the container. To finish up the Pico de Gallo, I'm going to take all of this stuff, put it into a bowl. I must say, I do not use the vegetable chopper on the garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, because that makes the garlic big chunks, and I prefer it to be finely chunked. The juice of half a lime, or if you're using key lime size, the juice of a whole lime. A tablespoon of olive oil. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Half a teaspoon of salt. Stir it all together. Oh, that's nice. And now let's taste it to make sure it tastes good. Oh yeah, get a lot on there. And these all chunked up nicely. Wonderful job by the Fullstar vegetable chopper. Take a bite. Oh, I want more. Oh, that spiciness from the onion. Right, it has a nice little spice. The poblano peppers add a great little peppery flavor. With those tomatoes, a nice softness to soften the whole flavor going on here. The lime, citrusy lime. Oh, that citrusy lime just adds a nice, very, very nice tang, along with the cilantro and that extra freshness. Oh yeah, I want more of that. That is really good. Oh, such a good salsa. But this isn't the only thing that the Fullstar vegetable chopper can make. Take a look right over here at my next video for another great dish you can make that the Fullstar vegetable chopper really helps out and makes things a lot easier for you.